Brittany Pruitt here. Today I have my sweet daughter Gracie. She's going to be helping me make tortilla soup. This is not authentic. This is just super fast. This is a very quick and easy weeknight meal. This is also your favorite soup, is it not?
It is.
Alright, so she's going to help me get this started. It's going to be really, really fast. You can do this ahead of time, but it's always good to have some in the fridge. We're going to turn this on first, alright? Alright, this is also very healthy, considering, you know, it's Mexican food. Got just a little bit of butter, probably 1 teaspoon. We're going to go ahead and let that start melting. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, we're going to let it start melting. We're going to put a little bit of grapeseed oil in here with it. Just a little bit. You want to dump this in? This is a small yellow onion, diced up. Don't have to do it even if you want to make it even faster. Good job, baby. Thanks, darling. Craig's helping too.
You're welcome.
This is 3 cloves of garlic minced up. I'm gonna pop that in there. I'm gonna turn this heat up some. Alright, stir that around, sweet pea.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start letting that get brown and all that good stuff. I'm going to tell you what the other ingredients are. Some paste pecani sauce is just a good base. We have some taco seasoning, whatever kind you like. Some Rotel. This is not drained. Carrots, they are drained. You could use fresh carrots. This is just faster. Carrots take a while to get soft. Some beans that we drained, just some pinto beans. Then we've got Tony's seasoning, chili powder, garlic salt, cumin powder, this stuff, this Classico tahine seasoning, Cajun, tahine, whatever if I'm saying it wrong. Some kosher salt, some cilantro, some jalapeno, some chives, that's going to go on at the end, some lime. It's just good to have the juice of it. And let's mix it up a little bit better. Is it making your eyes burn? Yeah. Tell everybody why you like this soup so much.
Because it has beans, chicken,
Tell them.
corn. Because it has beans, chicken, and corn, and carrots, which are my favorite.
Your favorite? Alright, you want mommy to do it? Okay. Alright, these are getting good and soft. Now what we're going to do, are you done for now?
No.
Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to add your favorite. Buy a rotisserie chicken, get the chicken off of it really quick, dump it in there. Alright, stir it around, sweet pea. Stir it around gently. While that's in there, go on ahead and open up your taco seasoning. Dump that in.
And mix it up.
That's right, and mix it up. You want mommy, let mommy mix it real good. There we go. That way the chicken gets all nice and flavored, so that part's done. Now we're gonna start dumping. Dump in the corn. Hand it to Daddy. Perfect. Dump in the carrots.
Wow.
Perfect. Hand that to Daddy. Dump in the Rotel. Hand that to Daddy. You can also call this tortilla dump soup, but that doesn't sound very good. There's the beans. Hand that to Daddy.
And then dump in the hot sauce.
That's right. Perfect. Hand that to Daddy.
Spiciness.
That's right. Alright, now we're going to add some seasonings. About a teaspoon to a tablespoon of each. So, like that and that. I'll let you do this one. Careful. That's good. It's opened up big. Alright, garlic salt. Let mommy do this one.
Oh, good at it.
Yeah. Alright, go to town with that. I'll tell you when to stop. That's good. And then cumin. About a tablespoon. Perfect. We're going to put in these. Jalapenos, don't touch those. Hand this to Daddy. We are going to go on ahead and put the cilantro in here. Obviously, you could leave it out. Throw that in there. Hand that to Daddy. You're going to pinch some salt in there. A little bit more, baby. A little bit more. Come on. Alright. That part's done. Gonna squeeze in some lime juice. And hand that to Daddy. Alright, now we need to mix this up really good. Ooh.
We're close to being done.
I know, isn't that so cool?
It's really quick.
I know. Okay, so we're gonna get this all coated up.
Oh, I can see.
You can. All right, so that's all coated up. Now we are going to pour in chicken stock. Pour it all in, Dana.
All of it?
Mm-hmm. And we want it to get completely coated. My apron's not tied. It doesn't fit, doesn't matter. That's right. Hand it to Daddy. Here, Daddy-o.
Pour this all in?
Not all of it. I'll tell you when to stop. You can go a little quicker. All right, because you love the soup part. Okay, so here is the tortilla soup. What's awesome about this? Took like 5 minutes max. You can put the lid on, put it in your fridge, and like do this on Sunday night. And turn around tomorrow afternoon, pop it on and let it simmer for an hour while you're doing other stuff. But this is the tortilla soup. We are going to top it with chips, sour cream, cheese, avocado, a little bit of chives, a little fresh tomato, and that's really it. And it's delicious, it's a full meal, and bada bing, right? When we come back, we'll show you how to plate it, right? I love you.
Love you too.
All right, you guys, the soup is ready, the tortilla soup. It all comes together so good, makes a ton, very, very cheap, and extremely healthy for what it is. Now, the other stuff we can put on it is not the most healthy, but anyhow, here's what it looks like. So it's full of chicken. We're gonna plate it in a green bowl to offset the color.
And it's full of a bunch of vegetables.
Yes, it is. These are some of our homemade chips that we made. I'm gonna set those right there.
And whoever doesn't like vegetables, you don't taste them.
We're going to sprinkle some cheese, whatever kind of cheese that you like, whatever kind of cheese you have.
A little sprinkle cheese.
And then we're gonna put some
sour cream.
Sour cream. Then we're gonna put a couple of slices of avocado.
Avocado, which is made for guacamole.
Guacamole.
Guacamole, whatever.
You make the Gracie mole. Then we're gonna put a little bit of, you wanna do it? Put it just on the avocado. A little bit of lime juice. Perfect. A little bit of lime juice. Then we're gonna put a little bit of tomatoes. You wanna put the last ones on there?
Yeah.
Little tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of chives.
This is fancy.
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of cilantro on there, and then I like to have a little bit of chips on here
To make it look fancy.
to make it look fancy, but also I like whenever the chips get a little bit soggy in there. I think that's plenty, don't you think?
How about one more?
Okay, how about one more? And there you have it. There is wonderful tortilla soup. It is good for leftovers. It makes a ton of food.
And look at this masterpiece.
It is a masterpiece. Super, super easy. I hope you guys make it. It turns into a family favorite and makes a lot of good food that your babies like.
You don't have to make it like this if you don't like, if you're picky or something. You can make it just about any way you want.
That's right. Happy cooking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have an awesome night.